Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine is doing really, really well. After I make this video, me and my hubby are going to go to the movies. We're going to see the late movie. It starts at like 10:15 at night, but that is okay. So, if you read from my title, we have a mystery bag or box. I don't know what you call it. This is the Colored Raine mystery bag. I don't know if it said mystery box or mystery bag. It did come in a box, so we'll just say mystery box. You can get this two ways. You can get this through the Colored Raine website. It's $35. Or you can go through Ipsy. It's $35, but I think if you go to the shopping thing, you can get like 15% cash back, so you can get it for like $29. I didn't know it was at the Ipsy, so I did get this through Colored Raine. Thanks to all of you. You guys have reached out to me and told me about this, and you know I love mystery boxes. All right, so it's $35. It's a little pricey, but it says you are guaranteed to get at least $150 worth of value. So I was down. I was like, yes, please. The day that I'm filming this is Saturday. They did have some left. So if they have any more left, when I put this out, I will let you know. I'll put yay or nay right here. And if they do, I will link it in the description box. All right, so that is a little sneak peek. It did come like this, guys. You can see I didn't even take the tape off. So it was packaged pretty good, but when I went like this, it started sliding down. So I just put it in the box. So let's just begin. All right, so the first thing, you are guaranteed to get a palette. So this is the palette. This is the Very Cute palette. Now, I don't know if everybody's getting the same palette or like there's variations. So I remember when this first came out, these were like maybe $50 and that or something like that, and I know they went on sale for $36, or maybe they were $36 when they first came out. I do know that they had put these on sale for like $12.50 before, so I don't know if this is just something that they have a lot of. I really don't know, but I'm excited to get it. I only paid $35 for the box. So it does come with a mirror, and here are the shades, and I love Colored Raine shades. So this is really, really pretty. So let's do some swatches. So we have Pinkleberry, Purpleberry, and Platinberry. Let's get it. It's that berry palette. That's the top three shades, so let's swatch it. So you have two shimmers, and oh, that matte felt really creamy. And then you have one matte and two shimmers. Doesn't swatch that good. It's pretty. Let me swatch that purple again. It feels really creamy though. Really does. Let's see. Okay, so it is buildable. It does have fallout, but I don't mind the fallout. I want to swatch this again because it's I'm going very lightly, but if you can see it, it's like crumbling. So let's do that. And then I'll swatch the other one. Yeah, so it's buildable, but you have a lot of kickback, but it's really, really pretty. And swatches don't mean anything, so it might perform really good on the eyes. I did hear good mixed reviews because I guess that's why they went on sale. I'm not sure. So this is the first time I'm trying the palettes. All right, so then we have Kissberry, Palmerberry, and Loveberry right there. All right, so that shimmer felt a lot better. All right, so there we go. Yeah, these ones look a lot better. But I don't know, they don't... There we go. So they're all right. This one, I'm like, but they're buildable. Let's try it again. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely buildable. I mean, look at that pigment now. I mean, so... like I've always said, I don't go by swatches. It's more for to show you the color. So I will definitely mess around with it and let you know. I have tried the single eyeshadows from Colored Raine, and I do really like them. All right, so then we have this single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade... What shade you? What shade are you? Oh, Brick, right there. So let's open up. This is like a reddish brown shade. All right. so that's what it looks like right there. Well, let me take it out because you probably can't see what it looks like. This is good for these mystery boxes when you have these brands, these indie brands. This is good for you to try their products to see if you like it. So that's what it looks like right there. All right, let's do a swatch. That feels really creamy. That almost looks like this one right there, but it's really pretty. This is a matte. And it actually goes with this. So I'm not hating it that we got a single eyeshadow with that because it'll go with this palette. So I am really excited about that. Let me wipe my hand. All right. Then you got lashes. All right. I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does. So she will like these. Wow. So they're pretty. They're more like natural, I guess, because they're not as like thick, you know, but they're really pretty. For me, because I have slight like hooded eyes, you know, from aging, I know they say that the wispy ones look better when you have hooded eyes, and that's like where they're like shorter in the front and they get longer. But these are really pretty too, so I don't know. See, I would try something like this first. This is in CR07 because I think when you're not used to lashes, if you go right in with the dramatic ones, then it's like, oh, you know. So there we go. Right there. All right. So then we got a highlighter. I mean, these are all full-size items, guys, and you're guaranteed to get a highlighter. So let's see the one I got. This is in the shade. Let me take it out. Maybe it shows on here. Cutie Pie. All right. So there we go. This is hard plastic. Let's see if I can open it. All right. So this is like a pink color. You do get a mirror. So I haven't tried any of the formula. So let's see. Put it right there. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. It reminds me of like the formula, like the Ofra. It has like that sheen. I'm just deepening it up so that you can see it a little bit better right there. And this goes with the eyeshadow. So if I don't want to wear this on its own because it's really like pinkish, but like I said, I built it up, so it probably, you know, when you blend it, it's not as dark, you know, but I can always wear it on the eyes, so that's good. This is like a perfect mystery box. Everything goes together. All right, so then we have a bullet lipstick in the shade Affluence right there. Oh, that's really pretty packaging. All right, so that's like a brick red, I guess, like a darker color. So let's swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. And if it's too dark for me, I never like wear just one lipstick shade. I always go in with a couple. So I like to custom like how you call it, I like to customize my shade. So, but that's really, really pretty. And like I said, I'll go in with like maybe a lighter color. All right, so we got that. Then we have this little doohickey that goes with the lashes. So that's good. We got a tool that you can use that for lashes. And last but not least, this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Panther right there. That color scares me. Let's see what color this is. Wow, that's pink. That is definitely pink. Normally I would put this in a giveaway, but I'm going to swatch it because I want to try the formula and see how it is. So let's do. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. It's not as bad. All right, I would wear that. I might lighten it up a little bit, but I thought it would be more like neon, but it's not. That's why sometimes it's good to like swatch it because sometimes the color is different than what it shows, because this looks like a hot pink, but it comes out really, really pretty. All right, so let's recap what we got for $35, and I want to and you guys let me know, do you think it's worth $35? So we have a liquid lipstick, and then we have a bullet lipstick. And we have full size, this is really a big size highlighter, and I would probably wear this on my eyes as well. We have a single eyeshadow, so you get to try their singles. And we have an eyeshadow palette. I definitely think this is $35. I don't know if it's worth the $150 value, what it says. I'll let you know, as in the editing, I'm probably telling you the prices anyway that's on the site. But I think it's, I mean, did I get my $35 worth? Absolutely, absolutely. I know these were like $36. I don't know if they went on sale for $12 something. Even if it was $12 something, I mean, we got the highlight. I mean, I don't know. I just really like it. I'm wondering, like, should I get another one for you guys? It's like, I don't know. Sometimes, like, with the Ophir mystery ones, you get it, and then they sell out, and maybe a week or two later, they come in stock, and you buy it. It's happened to me, and you get the same exact things with the same exact lipstick shades. So that's what I would be a little scared of if I got another one, but, like, if I did, I can always give it to you guys. So let me know in the comments down below, should I try to get another one? And if I don't like it, give it to you guys so you can try. Let me know down below. And that's everything. Don't forget, I do have a current giveaway going on in my Ipsy Plus, so make sure that you watch that video. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Or if you don't like it, dislike it, but please rate this video because it does help me out if you like it or dislike it. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe so you can get on my future giveaways and my future videos, and put that post notification bell on so you will be notified every time I upload, which I usually upload. I've been uploading almost every day, and also for my future giveaways. That's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.